The Service Portal is a self-service platform that gives you the ability to submit account opening, maintenance and closure requests. The portal can issue account numbers, and it provides you with the option of submitting single or bulk account opening requests. The portal supports two user profile types, a client user and an administrator user. This training video highlights the important features that a client user needs to understand to successfully use the portal. For an in-depth overview of administrator user features, please refer to the Administrator User Guide. You can log into the Service Portal from any web browser by inputting the Service Portal URL. This will take you to the Service Portal login page. After you've received your login details via email, simply enter them here to access the portal. The Service Portal homepage contains a number of useful widgets to make your experience much easier. The search feature is great for new users of the portal, as it provides a simple way to find the requests you are looking to submit. By typing in keywords, the search feature will present the most relevant options. The frequently used widget will display your most frequent selections in the Service Portal, so you can easily navigate to them again. Requests Raised by Me presents a list of open requests in chronological order. This gives you an overview of which requests remain outstanding and allows you to address any issues in a timely fashion. You can select any of these requests to view more information. The Service Portal offers three categories of requests. By selecting Catalogue, you'll be taken to the three different request options: account opening, maintenance, and closure. You can select any of these options to be taken to the relevant request screen. Now let's raise a request. Select the Account Opening Request tile. All fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory. Simply fill in the required fields. Select the relevant option under How can we help you? If you require a specific BSB, select Yes and type it in, and our team will prepare your accounts with your desired BSB. Otherwise, please select No. There is a slightly different process to follow regarding opening a single account or multiple accounts. Opening multiple accounts will require you to download and complete a template. Once completed, save the template to your PC and prepare to upload it at the end of the account opening process. If you only require a single account to be opened, you can simply proceed through the request and provide the required information. Now input information about the account you are opening. Select the account type, how the account will be funded, the client that this request will relate to, and input the account name. Please ensure you have created your client in the portal previously to ensure they appear in the My Client list. Your portal administrator user will have access to create a client. Now review the tax residency requirements information. Make the selection that is most relevant for your beneficiaries. Select Add. Now we can provide the beneficiary name, date of birth, and address. Tick the box. Confirm if the account is to be linked with a CommBiz service ID. Provide the service ID if required. Select the method of operation. Select the statement delivery method and cycle. Input the account details where fees and charges are to be directed to and where interest earned should be redirected to. Read the declaration and acknowledgements and tick the boxes to proceed. The additional information field can be used for any additional information that you may want to communicate to our specialised services team. For a multiple account opening request type, you can attach your completed template by selecting Add Attachments. Select Submit. You will receive an email confirming that the request has been submitted. Now you will be taken to the Work Item History screen. Here, you can use our inbuilt chat feature to communicate with our team. To get your account numbers, copy this link and paste it into your internet browser. On this page, you can see details of your newly created accounts. The BSB is 06 plus the first 4 numbers, and the account number is the following 8 numbers. This page also displays the account type, account name, and corresponding request number. You can also View details about the request on the right side of the page. Add additional attachments as required by selecting the paperclip icon. And download the request as a PDF by selecting Actions, Export to PDF, and save it for your records. Our team will work on your request as soon as possible. You will receive an email confirming when your account is ready to be used. Let's go back to the catalogue page and raise another request. Select Account Maintenance. Select Client. Select what your request relates to. Input details of your request in the field. You can also add an attachment if necessary. Select Submit to complete the request. You will receive an email confirming that the request is submitted and also when it has been completed. Let's explore how to raise an account closure request. Select a client and advise whether the closure is for a single account or multiple accounts. You'll be required to upload an attachment to the request that includes your company letterhead, account numbers and names that you wish to close, account numbers and names to credit the funds to, and signed by one or more of the authorised signatories specified on a master form. Once this has been attached, tick the confirmation box. You can add any additional comments as required. Press Submit. You will receive an email confirming that the request is submitted and also when the account or accounts have been closed. You can view information about previously submitted requests by selecting any of the requests underneath the Requests Raised by Me widget or via the My Request tab, which will provide you with a list of all open and closed requests. You can toggle between open and closed as required. You can also filter these requests in a variety of ways by selecting the down arrow on any of the headings. This makes it simple and easy for you to find specific requests by date, by status, by name, etc., etc. Once you locate the request you want, just select it to go to the Work Item History page, where you can view the details of the request. The My Profile tab will allow you to make updates to your user profile. From this tab, you can update your details, edit your notification preferences, and change your password. If there is a number visible in the blue circle on the Notifications tab, this means a request requires action. Let's click into the request. As you can see, the CommBank team has sent a message and require clarification on some details before proceeding with this request. You can directly respond to the request via the chat feature. You can also add any further documentation as required by selecting the paperclip icon and adding an attachment from your PC. If you ever need a reminder on how to navigate through the service portal, we have a user guide available that contains a walkthrough of all the features within the portal. You can access this user guide by selecting the User Guide option found in the footer of the homepage. Thanks for watching the Service Portal Client User Training video. If you're an administrator user for your organisation, please refer to the Administrator User Guide to learn about the administrator features. You can also contact your account manager or the Specialised Services team for further assistance with the Service Portal.